Yes, welcome back, Solid Rock family, on this Black Man Time album journey. We're on track 11. And to sponsor the herb, Richie Spice don't have to get paid. And that's why his come with a tune called Highgrade.
Oh, na, na. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. First I plant the seeds, apply my daily ones. Through space and time I watch them grow. Hey, and nurture them like a child. Cause I don't want them to grow wild. I don't want to see them spoil. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. My girlfriend loves the mango flavor. She have to get it when she come to Jamaica. She take it to the party on the beach. Tell me say she love the aroma, the stimulate her behavior. But this your ganja is so sweet. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. She say, don't change the style. And she say, don't change the flavor. I wanna share it with my friends. I wanna share it with my neighbors. Plant it, Jamaica, plant it. Plant it, Caribbean, plant it. Plant it, Africa, plant it. And sell it all over the world and spread it out. For contact. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden. Highgrade, growing, there was flowering in my garden.
Highgrade, growing those flowers in my garden. Yes, that's for all the high grade people traveling with it, whether in the house or in the vehicle. Yeah, that was Richie Spice with High Grade. And like I say, Richie Spice don't have to get paid to talk about the high grade. Them man, they love them herbs. Seeing? Yeah. So that's for all the herb lovers out there. Herbs in the garden, okay? Yeah. I will say, let's continue to roll and, to prevent it from scroll and see what goes on, all right? Yeah, that track is cool. But, we're going to keep it pushing, right? Yeah, so far not one of my favorites on the album, but it can go on. It can go on, okay? Yeah, and maybe as time go on, it grows and grows. But, yeah, we're going to keep the ball moving. And yes, that was track number 12, Highgrade in the Garden. Okay, so hit the notification. Sorry, that was track number 11. I moved too fast. Track number 11, and next up is track number 12. Okay, Highgrade, growing in the garden.